Want to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung phone? People use this mode to silence calls and notifications when they need focus or rest. Hey there, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you two simple methods to turn Do Not Disturb on or off. So let's get started. Method 1. Using quick settings. Swipe down the quick settings from your home screen. If you don't see the Do Not Disturb option, then swipe down again and expand the quick settings. If you don't see it here also, then slide left, and here it is. Now just tap to enable and tap to disable. After that, follow one more method. Method 2. Using settings. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Tap on notifications, or tap on Do Not Disturb from the below. Here it is. From here, you can disable Do Not Disturb mode. You can schedule sleeping mode from here as well. And you can allow any calls, messages, app notifications, and alarms during Do Not mode by tapping App Notifications below. That's how you enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.